It's official. I finally signed up for my first track day with the homies in September, so we have a little bit less than 2 months to get the car ready for its first track day. Today, we're gonna be unboxing a few items that I'm gonna be installing throughout the time to get the car ready, and let's go ahead and start today's video. So we got a few items here, and today I'm gonna unbox it and show you guys it and actually install one of the parts. But firstly, I'm excited to show you guys this thing because this is my first helmet ever. Let me go ahead and show you guys. We went ahead and balled out and got our first helmet, a Sparkle carbon fiber helmet. Sheesh. Boom. What do you guys think? If you guys don't know, I got a super big head. I wear a size XL, so this helmet is huge. And I look like a bobblehead. I don't even know if you guys can hear me, but voila. Super excited. This thing is crazy. Yeah, part number 1, done. Next, I forgot which one this one is. This package is not only mine, but this package is also for Jimmy and Dan. We have endless brake pads. Sheesh. I went with the ME20 brake pads, track pads, and Jimmy went with the MX72 pluses. Dan went with the full track pad as well, and I think he got the ME20s as well. So before we start our track day, we're definitely gonna go ahead and put these brake pads on, change out the brake fluid, and we should be able to stop pretty good on the first track day, because we're definitely gonna need some brakes. Jimmy went with the MX72 pluses, which we've heard great things about for both street and track. Thankfully, I have a daily, so I went ahead and went with some crazy track pads. So did Dan. Finally, I've been waiting for these. Some of you guys could probably already tell what this is, but we got our 4-point race harnesses. If anybody knows, Night Runner, huge fan of Night Runner, located up there in Canada, our Canadian brothers, but we went with Night Runner X Willens harnesses. Holy moly. And I think it's gonna match so well with the Supra. I went yellow this time. I know, a monochromatic theme, but everybody said that maybe I should run some color on there and make it stand out. So that's what I did. Can't wait to show you guys, but this is what we're gonna be installing in today's video. First thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna go ahead and disconnect the battery. And I'm gonna leave some towels here because this is gonna be a couple-day project. It's hot in the garage. So I'm gonna leave this here so that the trunk does not latch by accident. Whew, okay.
All right, so like a dummy, I had my microphone turned off and I ran into a lot of complications installing the eye bolts onto the existing seat bracket because I am running a wider bucket seat. Because my seats are wider, the eye bolts were actually rubbing up against the carpet near the trans tunnel, which didn't allow my sliders or my seat to slide up and down. So what I ended up doing was modify the existing seat bracket so I can mount the eye bolts somewhere that would give me enough clearance to slide the seats. I want to give a big shout out to Stefan at PNW Race because I sent him messages, he gave me ideas, and we were able to make it work. And then Dan came over to help me install the harnesses because Dan is the man.
All right, I'm all done installing the harnesses and we ended up going with yellow. Let me show you guys how it looks. If you guys see here, we tidied up the straps in the rear using the Ren Scott collars, and I think it looks freaking amazing. These look sick. What do you guys think? Originally, I got the yellows because I was waiting for silver, but now I'm kind of digging the yellows. I think I'm gonna keep them. What do you think, Dan?
Silver looks better.
Silver looks better, dude. I don't know if we're gonna take these off, man. I'll run these for a while, but I like the yellow because it matches with that yellow stripe on the top, and then we also have the yellow door straps that I might end up doing.
The next day.
All right, it's the next morning, and I want to show you guys the harnesses. We're also going to go to Cars and Coffee today. We got Phil, who just got back from Hawaii.
What's going on?
Welcome, man. There's his car. All right, let's warm this bitch up. I'm going to pull this motherfucker out. I don't know if I want one anymore. Dude, I ain't gonna lie. It's tight as fuck.
Is it?
Yeah.
It holds you in place though. It's good for the
Yeah, for the track, great. But dude, this is a bitch.
Hell no.
I don't know if it's worth the clout. Oh, fuck, I can't even grab my gloves, bro. Oh my God, guys. Really think about it before you put on some fucking harnesses. Bro, this is, I'm stuck in here, bro. Can I grab you guys? Okay, we did it. Holy shit, that was tough. All right, let's go.
Damn.
Yo, stay away from my yellow headlights.
We're going to Cars and Coffee in a Matrix. Don't need no Supra.
Hey man, sometimes you got things you got to do after Cars and Coffee. Today, we got things to pick up, so we bring the daily.
Rolling in the Matrix, going to Cars and Coffee at Northwest Motive. Let's see if we can get some rollers. Do you have any last words?
I'm not going anywhere. I left it a little loose because it's kind of tight. It's fun.
Cool race car, bro.
More than you can afford, pal.
He's got to get his grinds in.
So hungry.
So hungry. Check out this Matrix, bro.
Bruh.
Brand new, bro.
You never ever seen a 2003
Fucking cherry, bro.
cherry,
Look at
bruh.
the steering wheel, bro. Brand fucking new, man.
2003 Toyota Matrix, brand new.
Shoots.
Shoot, bruh.
Smell his exhaust fumes.
Stinky.
Y'all stink.
Stinky.
Y'all stink.
132 in Bush, I got him at gunpoint. I'm setting gunpoint, 132 in Bush, covers code 3. Being set.
Oh, fast boy! Fast boy! Fast boy! Fast boys! Fast boys, fast boys! What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? Oh! Make some exhaust noises in this bitch.
It's a Corvette.
Hi guys, I'm Dan.
Oh, the idea was to get rollers, but we kind of lost them. And you're flooring it.
Pedal to the metal.
I'll catch up to you.
Hey,
getting
out of that 6-point harness though.
It's alright. It's a process. 6 points, Dan?
Yeah.
6 points?
I won't be flying out my car. I'm trapped.
You look pretty safe to me.
Easy, see?
Try to get rollers, but you know, kind of got lost in the sauce there.
Too fast for the Matrix.
He was flooring it too. Spent so much gas.
Bro, it is, having harnesses in the car makes everything harder. Like, when I had the camera over here, I couldn't reach the camera. I was trying to grab my phone out of my pocket. That was the hardest thing to do. Oh my. I don't know if I would recommend for a daily, guys.
You done fucked up.
Alright guys, we're doing wacky review.
Wait, hold on. You're doing what?
Wacky review.
Y'all requested it. Here it is.
Wait,
The Regas, Dan.
it's coming. I got a few months left. Yeah. Of course we have the white NSX on white. I'm getting those wheels soon.
This is like my favorite car here.
All the Hondas are.
Yep. I'm gonna make my fit like this. I just got hella shit to fix. Damn, I wonder if I can ask him to buy the kit. It's a full Mugen. I wanna say hi? Say hi? Alright. This is Christian. That is his car. You static or bag?
I'm static.
And are you capping?
Static.
My buddy Dino. He had this since low mile. He's one owner. It's only him.
Oh wow.
It's at 200K right now. He used to daily it like this. There's a lot of Hondas.
What are you gonna be doing with your fit, bro?
A K.
A K?
K fit. And he got the stick as a prop. MR2.
At the Cadillac.
Have you seen the MR2 with an FRS bumper on it?
No.
Looks pretty fucking sick.
Night Runner. I need another one.
Your VQ brothers. It's the red NSX. Yeah, this is probably my favorite one. Advance. No. It's mint. Look at this Chaser. Chaser. Look at this Chaser. It's a Toyota. Some bread. The kilt. Work spell. And a manual. E30. Looks like he's gonna need traction. Okay, a Supra. This is my cousin, guys.
What's up? Hey, why are you holding it like that? Look like you do that for a living, bro. You hold that good. You should hold it with 2 hands.
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Shut up.
Alright, we just ended Cars and Coffee. Not gonna lie, these harnesses are a pain in the ass. If you daily drive your car again, I would not recommend. But it is super cool. So, that is the first modification to get ready for the track. Paired it with the bucket seat. We got the brake pads. We got the helmet. And I gotta touch up a couple more things on the car before September to get this thing track ready, because it does still drive a little bit like poo-poo. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. I know that was sporadic. It took 5 days for me to get these harnesses on, so the video is all over the place, but I appreciate you anyways for watching. Catch you guys in the next video. Comment, like, subscribe, and we'll see ya. Peace.
Oh, okay. Which one select?
Okay, cast, and then computer. Cast and television too. Bro!
Okay, it's casting.
Casting? Okay.
Wait. It says available devices. Medicus mobile app?